never gets old. This sound, this Subaru sound, listen to that. Check this out. Look at that exit. Welcome back, YouTube family. This is SUBZERU Vlogs, back with another video just for all of y'all. Today I'm gonna show y'all exactly how my built Subaru handles 100-degree heat. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, it is so hot in California. It has been so hot. It's been 100 degrees for like 3 or 4 straight days now. But I want to show y'all exactly how my Subaru handles the heat, how it drives the heat, and just my overall experiences with how it is when it's hot outside. Go ahead, check out the details below of what mods I have on my Subaru WRX to show you exactly how my car is going to handle having all this heat. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, go follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day. Let's keep going after it, guys. Peace. All right, y'all, so here's my Subaru WRX. If you haven't seen any of my videos, I'm gonna go ahead briefly and show you some of the mods I have in the car. I do have the steering wheel, you know, some of the interior bits, yada, yada, yada. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I got underneath the hood. That definitely goes a long way in helping to maintain the car in the heat. Woo, hood is hot. Woo, man. All right, so I do have a radiator, Mishimoto radiator to cool it down. I got some cooling stuff in the car to help out. Definitely, like I said, California 100-degree heat. It's gonna definitely help. I want to see how much all the cooling stuff I do is gonna help with the car. As you can see, I also got the top mount intercooler coated to help with cooling. A lot of my pipes in the bottom as well as gotten coating done to see if that's gonna help at all with the temperatures. So I'm gonna show you all the temperatures of the car when it's at 100 to show you exactly where the oil temperature is at, the coolant temperature, and all the temperatures with the car. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we're back in the car right now. The oil temperature's 205 degrees. The coolant is 198, so it is warm. I got the car warmed up for everybody. We're gonna do a drive. Now it is really hot, so I do have the AC on a little bit. I'm gonna be switching it on and off as I drive. And that's definitely gonna affect the temperatures, but it's 100, y'all. It's hot. I'm sorry, I can't not have the air on. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how I feel when the car drives. We're gonna get the car going. Even though it's warm, coolant temperature is now dropped to 192. Now I got the car going. The oil temp has jumped up to 210. We're just gonna cruise for a little bit, allow the car to get going, like I said, and go from there. Now, I know a big thing with turbo cars is heat soak, and obviously the hotter the temperature, the less power you're gonna have. But most importantly with these cars, I want to show how the temperature goes, if it overheats, what you should do to help your car with overheating, and just overall my experiences with having the car. Oil temperature is at 210, coolant is still at 194. Temperatures are looking pretty good. Like I said, it's hot, man. It is absolutely hot outside. All right, so temperature, been driving for about 10 minutes now. Temperature is 207, coolant's 194. We can start pushing a little bit. I want y'all to hear the car, so putting the windows down a little bit. I'm gonna hear the ride a little bit. Gonna have a little bit of fun. A little out there getting working. I see you. I see you. I see you. Oh my gosh. I've had this car for so long and this never gets old. This sound, this Subaru sound, listen to that. Section. You gotta stop going fast. I'm not sure if y'all can see, but like, it doesn't sound like I'm going fast, but I'm going really fast. Like, let's get a downshift, baby. Let's go. For sure. The temperature got to 220 oil, but my coolant was basically 198 the entire time. Even while I was pushing the car, I'm absolutely just surprised, and honestly, that's very good for me to see that my oil, even while I was pushing as hard as I could in 100-degree heat, it only got up to 220 oil, and the coolant didn't even get over 200. That's fantastic. So I'm very happy with the cooling that I have in the car. I'm surprised, honestly. I didn't think it was gonna be that well with pushing that hard and it being about 100 degrees. So overall, I'm very happy and satisfied with how the car reacted. I'm gonna do a little bit of one last pull for you guys here. Let's get in some on-ramp action. So that's the end of the video. Car's fantastic, man. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all so you can see. So the highest the coolant temperature got was 201 the entire drive, and the highest the oil temperature got was 225. 225. These are the readings. No positive knock, AF correction, AF learning. All that stuff was actually really good. Everything was really, really good as far as the car and the numbers. But overall, car did great. I'm letting it cool down right now after the drive. But anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a blessed day. Have a great day. Peace.